is a barrier to have courage and skill. And it's fine to be counted a star. But a single deed with its touch of thrill doesn't tell the man you are.
For there is no lone hand in the game we play.
We must work to a bigger scheme. And the things that count in the world today is how you pull with the team.
They may sound your praise and call you great. They may single you out for fame.
But you must work with your running mate or you'll never win the game.
Oh, never the work of life is done by the man with a selfish dream.
For the battle is lost or the battle is won by the spirit of the team.
You may think it fine to be praised for skill, but a greater thing to do
is to set your mind and to set your will on the goal that's just in view.
It's helping your fellow man to score when his chance is hopeless seem.
It's forgetting self to the game is o'er and fighting for the team.